Welcome to English EZee. Today we are talking about auxiliary verb. Auxiliary means associative or helping. That's why these are also known as helping verbs. Auxiliary verbs are of two types, primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. First we talk about primary auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries are further divided into three types. First one, to do, to have, and to be. To do. This auxiliary do is used in three forms: do, does, and did. The second one, to have. This have as an auxiliary is used in three forms also: have, has, and had. The last one, to be, as an auxiliary verb, be is used in five forms: is, are, am, was, and were. Now comes to modal auxiliaries. These are will, shall, can, could, should, must, would, may, might. And ought to, need, and have to are also included in modal auxiliaries. Now we will discuss the features which differentiate both of these types of auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries that can be used as main verbs also. Can be used as main verb also. For example, I am a teacher. He was a pilot. The second feature of primary auxiliaries is they have three forms. Just like do has three forms: do, did, done. Have also has three forms: have, had, and be also has three forms: be, was, been. So these are the two features of primary auxiliaries. Now we talk about the features of modal auxiliaries. All the modal auxiliaries are always followed by first form of the verb. Without main verb, modal auxiliaries cannot stand. They are bound to have a main verb. And the other feature of modal auxiliaries is that they have only one form. Primary auxiliaries have three forms, but modal auxiliaries have only one form. In this video, we talked about auxiliaries in a simple, brief, but comprehensive way. We will discuss modals one by one in other videos. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe.